how to add your Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Amazon and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to your account. Now scroll down and inside payment, you will find the option of your payments. Click on it. Now tap on add a payment method. Well, the Visa gift card is included on credit or debit card, so click on add a credit or debit card. It will land you on this interface. In this page, you will have to enter all the detailed information of your Visa gift card. First of all, you need to scan your card and then enter the name that you have in the card. Also enter the card number and then enter the expiration date of the card. Once you are done, all you want to do is tap on add your card at the bottom, and then your Visa gift card balance will be successfully added to your Amazon account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can add your Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.